Hello, good evening. Tutuloy ko po yung report ko na natigil kay Descartes. Descartes also contribute to the field of optics, showing that the angular radius of a rainbow is 42 degrees using geometric construction of refraction, and he's also independently discovered the law of reflection in his essay on optic was the first published mention of his law. Naaanto dun sa rainbow kasi daw yung rainbow pag nag-i-emerge na yung refracted light, nagpa-follow through na yung reflection. Tas pag nagkasalubong na sila, pag nagkita na sila sa angle na between direction, parang mag-came out na yung final reflected rays or incoming parallel beam, na yun yung sinasabi niya na 42 degree. Para mag-emerge na yung light doon sa water drops, kasi nga yung water drops parang doon nagsisimula yung reflection tsaka refraction. Kaya yung minimum deviation angle of 42 degree form the primary rainbows. Yun lang naman. Tas kay Evangelista Torricelli, si Evangelista Torricelli ay isang Italian physicist and mathematician. Mas kilala siya sa invention niya na barometer. Ito yung barometer, guys. Barometer. Ito yung barometer. Yan yung barometer. Ganyan yung barometer, guys. Para siyang ganyan. Ganyan yung barometer. Tapos yung barometer, guys, siya, parang ginagamit siya sa pang-measure ng pressure, atmospheric pressure na nag-erupt sa earth, yung atmosphere. Parang yun yung gamit doon. Tsaka meron din siyang study about spiral of various kinds. Yun nga yung discovered the rectification of logarithm spiral. Meron pa yung projectile motion of form of motion experienced by an object or particles that is projected in a gravitational field such as from Earth's surface. Yun nga, diba, kasi nga more on science din yung ambag niya. More on measures yung curve ng Earth, ganun. More on gravity, ganun. Tsaka yung sa miracle spiral niya, meron din siya naambag doon sa logarithmic or equiangular spiral na discover ni Rene Descartes. Parang may naambag daw siya doon. Tapos punta tayo kay kay Gerald. Si Gerald naman ay Gerard Desargues. Isa siyang French mathematician and engineer who is considered one of the founder of projective geometry. Desargues' theorem is Desargues theorem, the Desargues graph, and the creator of Desargues on the moon are named on his honor. Ito yung yung Desargues graph. Yan yung Desargues graph. Para siyang shape ng moon. Para siyang shape ng moon. Tapos, he researched on his perspective geometry can be seen in culmination of centuries of scientific inquiry across the classical epoch on optic that stretched from Alhazen, LBN, and Halatam Alhazen to Johannes Kepler and beyond, a mere synthesis of the tradition with Renaissance perspective practice. Ito. Parang yung sinabi dun na Al-Hatam, ano yun, yung examination about yung passage nung light from different media. Parang yung discover din ni Descartes na refraction. Parang siya daw yung unang nag-carry nung experiment na yon. Sabi dito, he also carried out the first experiment of the dispersion of light into the constituent colors. Parang siya yung nauna, pero ang na-publish is yung kay Rene. Meron pa. Yung his work was rediscovered by republished in 1864. A collection of his work was published in 1951. In the 1864 compilation remains in print. One notable works often cited by the others in mathematics, rough draft for an essay on result of taking plane of a cone. A man with a very impractical imagination. Tas yung sunod naman si Blaise Pascal. Si Blaise Pascal ay isang French mathematician, physicist, inventors, and Christian philosopher. Meron siyang na-discover na pioneer working on calculating machine. Meron siyang na-discover na calculator. Meron siya na-discover na calculator. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. Pinagana niya yan, using vacuum theory, yung dating yung unang computer, yung vacuum din yung ginamit doon para mag-work yun. 'Di ba ngayon, yung vacuum ngayon kasi napalitan na ng IC ba yun? IC, tama, IC. Tas meron din siyang yun yung isa sa mga niya. Yun yung sa isa na binild niya na 20 na machine. Tapos meron din, tapos may idadagdag ako doon sa Gerald Desargues, doon sa yung sa section of cone. Parang example na ganito yung niya, kasi ganito yung example na ganito. Ganyan. Ayaw makita eh. Ganyan. Ganyan yung example nun. Kunwari, i-example mo to pag nag-ano ka ng cone ng ano ng mata mo sa cone, 'di ba, kahit maliit yung butas, yung makikita mo pa rin sa ano kung gaano kalaki yung nasa dulo. Parang ganun yung ibig niyang sabihin. Kunwari yung ilaw din, yung ilaw sa poste, maliit siya ng pababa. Ganun. Yun lang naman yung ano, yun lang naman na yung hindi ko na natapos. 4 person na lang. Sunod na po si Panyo. Thank you po.